Know that someone is in the flow when everything they do has growth connected to it. There's movement. You better watch out when you get connected with me because I'm in a flow. I'm trying to be something that I've never seen before. I'm trying to manifest a power that I've never had access to before. When you get connected to me, you're connected to a flow. You got to watch out for stagnant people. You got to watch out for little pond people because those are the kind of people that look like they have a lot of influence, but there's no movement happening.